Hello and welcome to Joseph IT. Today we will watch 4 different ways to easily find out the motherboard or baseboard brand and manufacturer in Windows PC. Number 1. Go to Run pressing Windows and R. Type CMD and press Enter. Type the commands you can see. WMIC, baseboard. Get, product, manufacturer. Pressing Enter will bring the information you need like motherboard brand and the model ID. But if you need the model only, then type only product after Get. Number 2. On Start, type MS Info 32. Go to System Information. Here you can see the baseboard manufacturer and the model as well one after one. Also all other information are there too. Number 3. Go to Run pressing Windows and R. Type DXDIAG. Press Enter. Here you can also find the model and the manufacturer of your motherboard easily. Number 4. You can simply find it on the BIOS page of your PC. Pressing F2 or Delete or Escape while PC Start may bring it up for you as it varies from motherboard to motherboard.
I will be giving some lists of buttons that bring BIOS in different motherboard in the description. You can check them out. Here you can watch the brand and models of motherboard. So these are the ways you can adopt to know the details of your motherboard. If you liked the tips, then please hit the like button and let us know further in the comment box. Goodbye.